Okay, the next item that we're going to do is marinated steakhouse tips with our Steakhouse Marinade. It's important to note that the marinade mixing procedures for Steakhouse Marinade and Kentucky Bourbon are exactly the same. First thing we're going to do is mix our marinade. We're going to do 1 full scoop of Steakhouse Marinade to 3 full scoops of water. And using our wire whisk, we're going to mix the marinade. Now our beef is ready to be marinated. So we just drop our meat in, mix well. And this is a thick topical marinade, which means you could package this right away. So we have our 2S tray with our black pads. We're going to put 3 or 4 tips in a package. And our finished product is done.